So I think my confidence is extremely improved. I did a presentation in English for almost 15 minutes. That it's something that I thought that it's impossible a few months ago. And I think this is the main achievement that I had in Express. So my name is Yaniv Refael, married with 3 kids, live in Ness Ziona. I work as a software engineer at Coinbase, and I joined Express 6 months ago. The main challenge for me, and this is the main reason that I joined Express, is because I didn't have confidence to speak in English, especially in group meetings, and I work with a lot of people from the US, and I think also a little bit with the grammar, but the main reason was confidence. I chose Express because I did a small search in the internet, and I like the things that in Express you can practice whatever you want. It could be in the morning, in the evening, when it fits to you. So I think this was the main reason that I choose Express. I will recommend Express to everyone who wants to improve his English. I can tell you that I already recommended to a few of my colleagues at work, and one of them actually signed and joined Express already, but everyone wants us to improve his English. If you told me 6 months ago that I will do presentation in English, I would told you that it's impossible. And I felt a lot of confidence to speak in front of many people in English, and I think it was great.